Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend and that yesterday you were able to spoil your moms and grandmas and anybody else that takes care of you in life. I hope you just spoiled them and gave them a great day yesterday, so they were able to relax and have a great day. So we are back and it's another week. And it's a special week because it's our last week of schoolwork. Next week we'll still have school, but it will just be fun things. And it's a short week, and we have a lot of fun things planned for you next week. So let's do a little calendar, and then we're gonna do just a couple of activities to kind of get your brain thinking on Monday morning, and then we'll go and have a great day, okay? So calendar, it's still May 2020, and yesterday was Mother's Day, and it was May 10th, 2020. Yesterday was May 10th. What number comes after 10? What number is the next number after 10? 11. Today is May 11th, 2020, May 11th, 2020, and today is the first day of our school week. Do you remember what day is the first day of our school week? Today is Monday. So yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, so I talked to you a little bit about this last week, and I have my little board here so you can see. I have my little board. Okay, we're just going to talk about the math part at the top. Okay, so last week we talked a little bit about this guy right here. This guy. Remember, he's a plus sign, and we talked about the plus sign, and it means I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more. Okay, right, so this guy means I'm going to add more. Okay, so what I want you to do this week is I want you to count the dots on the domino and write the number here, and then say, I want to add more dots. I want to add these dots, so I'm going to count these dots and put that number here. Okay, so this would be 3 plus, I want to add 4, right? So let me write that down for you really quick. I have 3 plus I want to add 4 more. 3 plus I want to add 4 more, right? And then I'm going to count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 dots plus 4 more dots is equals, this is an equal sign. It means all together I have 7 dots. Okay, so these are the kinds of things I want you to be working on this week, okay? This is very kindergarten stuff, very kindergarten stuff. But we can start thinking about it right now. There's no reason. But there's no reason not to. But another thing I want to do with you this week is patterns, okay? Patterns is a very pre-K thing. So I just want to make sure that you all have mastered patterns. So today you're actually going to do a pattern worksheet, and then for most of the rest of the week you're going to be doing these addition sentences. But I want you to keep remembering those patterns. Keep thinking about them because they're what's called a benchmark, a pre-K benchmark, which means I really need to know that to go to kindergarten, okay? So I just want to do a little bit of a pattern review and then move on to doing a little bit more harder things. Okay, so that's math for you today. Oh, for math, if you want to use your snap cubes, use your snap cubes. They're such a good tool for math, okay? All right, so let's talk about our vowels again. We have to remember those vowels, right? A, E, I, O, and U are the vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. And in the words that we spell, and in most of the words that we sound out, those are the middle sound, right? The vowels are the middle sound in most of our words. It won't always be that way, but for right now, Those are your middle sounds. So what you're gonna do today is, I've drawn on my little board on the bottom. What does this look like a picture of? I'm really not a great artist, but it's a hat. That's a hat, right? And then I wrote some letters down at the bottom for you. Do you see all those? All right, so this is kind of like a little hangman game that you guys play with Miss Lemus sometime in class. So the first letter in the word hat is which one of these? The first letter in the word hat. Hat. Which one of these? If you said H, you're right. So what we're gonna do, cross off H. We're gonna write H right there. Now, which one of these letters is our middle sound? A says we know that, so we're gonna cross off A and write A here. And then what's our last sound? T, hat. T. I hope you heard that T sound, right? So then we spelled the word hat, all right? So what you're gonna do on your worksheet today for spelling out words is you're gonna cut out these letters. The letters will be at the bottom of the page just like this, but you're gonna cut them out and then you're gonna glue them underneath the picture with the sounds that you hear, okay? So it'll be very similar to this. You're just gonna cut these out and glue them on instead of writing and crossing out, okay? So I think that'll be fun for you because you guys really like to do hangman and that kind of thing, and it's kind of like a little hangman game. So that's what we have for today, all right? And I am going to be doing small group Zoom calls. So Mia, yours is today at 2 o'clock. And then I will be doing our whole class Zoom meeting on Wednesday at 3 o'clock, okay? And then next week we'll probably just have a whole class in Zoom, and that's it. So I hope you have a fabulous day. I love you. I miss you. It's beautiful outside. I've already taken Patches outside about, I don't know, 5 times. And it's a great day. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, bye.